In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a YouTube channel step by step, including the key optimization settings that most people miss, and also some basic rules that you need to follow to be successful on YouTube. That will help you maximize your results even if you have already started. Hey there, my name is Habib Alilo. You're welcome to this channel. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed before, thank you for always being there. All right, so in today's video, as I've told you, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a YouTube channel from scratch, from beginning, creating your Gmail to creating your channel, to basic things you need to put in place when you are creating your channel. Please don't worry if you already have a channel, because you are still going to learn a lot of things that you will need. So because of that, I'm going to include a timestamp that you need to follow, so that in case the beginning part is not related to you, you can easily go to the one that actually has to do with you. All right, so let's get started. Before we start with creation, let's quickly talk about the rules to follow for a successful YouTube channel. Number one is, what is your channel about? So I want you to start thinking about what you actually want your channel about. If you have not concluded yet, or you are still confused on what should you start, what should you base on, it is still fine. You can still start anyway, but just make sure you keep a close watch onto how different videos you are putting out there, how they behave, how people react to them, to see which one will favor you most. All right, another one I would like to tell you is, make a lot of videos before posting the very first one. Even if you already have a channel and probably consistency has been your problem, this will work for you. And if you are a new person who just want to start a YouTube channel, this will definitely help you a lot. So make sure you make a lot of videos before you post the first one. So if you have had issue with consistency and you just want to start back, and you think, oh, this time around you want to start better and then you want to be stronger and better, the best way to achieve this is to make a lot of videos on ground, like 7-8 videos before you even post the very first one. Reason for this is not far-fetched. It is just that a lot, when you just start posting videos again, or even for the first time you just start to post video, you may likely get discouraged along the line, because you're not going to see enough views as you have thought, or probably as you have dreamt of. So you may likely want to be put off. But if you already have some videos, so you may not have enough energy, you may not have that motivation to shoot another video again, or to produce another video again. But imagine you already have like 7-8 videos. So all this will help you to start seeing the results that will motivate you to keep shooting videos. I hope you get the gist. All right, so let's go on now to create your channel. After creating your channel, there are some things that there are some tips that I would like to share with you. All right, let's start with creating channel. So let's say you don't want to use the exact channel you have been using to watch other people's YouTube. You want to start from scratch, and you want to use a unique email address. So this is it from the beginning. Just go to youtube.com on your PC. Then you come here and sign in. Come to the sign in button here at the right top corner. All right, so this is going to ask you if you want to sign in with an email you already have. If you already have a Gmail account, yes, this is fine. But if you think you don't want to use those ones you have already, probably you want to use a name that is related to the channel you want to create, then you can just come to create account. So this will ask you for my personal use, for my child, or for work, or my business, whatever it is meant for. So that is what you should create the account for. Then you follow all the necessary process to create that account. All right, so So now that we have opened our Gmail account, so this is what our YouTube will look like. So just come to the icon here, the same place where you clicked sign in the other time. When you click on it, so this is what it's going to bring. If it's a channel that already has, if it is a Gmail account that already has a channel, you're going to see view your channel here. Somewhere around here, you're going to see view your channel. If you have multiple accounts, you're going to say switch account or something like that. But in this case, we just want to create a channel. All right, so it's asking us to select a picture. Abiba Alilo Abiodun. Let's say this is what we want to use, that Abiba Alilo Abiodun. Yes. And if you have a picture you want to use, select one and put it there. Let me see if I can see a logo or something to use. Okay, let's say I want to be posting on nature, or I think I love this. So I've selected the picture and put it there, then create channel. So let's wait for it to load. All right, so here we have it here. So a channel has been created for us. So the next thing we still have to do is let's come back to this. Now we have our picture being on the icon side here. If we come back here now, you can see your channel. Click on your channel. So now we need to customize our channel. All right, so this place is meant for banner image. You will notice that when you go to other people's channel, you will be seeing some things. Let me quickly show you. Let me just search for Abiba Alilo here. So this is my channel. This is my channel. So when you click on it, so this is what banner is. So the Queen of Web Academy. So this is what. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abiba Alilo, and as you all know, all right. So this is what banner looks like, and this is the logo we have picked before. Then your description and a lot of things like that. All right. So let's go back so that we can continue. So you need to choose a banner. In another video, I'm going to teach you how to create a banner for your YouTube. I don't want this to take much of our time. Then the name, whatever name you want to use for your channel, should be put here. Let's say this is exactly what I want to use. Your channel handle should be here. So this handle is at what do you want your channel to be? Is it okay like this, or you just want to put something else, like at the nature queen, at the something, whatever the brand you want to use? So then your description. So here I will tell you that in this your description, make sure you try as much as possible to optimize. So make sure that you try to optimize your channel to the best, so that it can be searchable and foundable when people are searching for anything related to you. So let's say what you should put here most should be like who you are, what your channel is all about, what your viewer should expect to see from you, and then make sure you include some keywords that has to do with what your channel is. So as for me, this is what I have in my channel. I'm still going to update this. So I said, hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Adiba Elilo. I'm a programmer and a Muslim. So this is who I am. On my channel, this is what my channel is all about. You will find a lot of videos on programming courses, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So a lot of people will search for HTML courses, CSS. So when they search for programming, they will find my channel. When they search for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, they will likely find my channel. Also, you'll find other beneficial videos to help other YouTubers on this platform. So when people search for anything that has to do with how to do something on YouTube, I will say include all of that here. So people should be able to find my channel. So I may include something like, this channel is about helping you on how to grow your YouTube channel, on how to include the necessary features on your YouTube channel. You see all of these because these are things that people will search for. So that is what your description should be about. Your channel description should be about. So make sure you include that here. Then your URL. So this is normal. Then other links that you want to put here. So in these links here, let's say you want to put your Instagram. So Instagram link, then you put the link here. You had another link, Facebook link, you put it here, and the link and all of that. So your website link, make sure you put them here. Then if you want people to be contacting you with a particular email address, put that here as well. Then if you want a particular watermark to always show on your video, so that even if people download your video through YouTube, they should still have the watermark there, and that can be uploaded here as well. So if you have done all of this, then believe me, you are almost done with your channel. Don't forget, you must optimize your channel. Let it be SEO feature, like leverage on SEO on everything you are doing on your channel. So having done that, let's see, I've edited anything. So the next thing is just to make your channel publicize your channel. So make it go publish. So I don't know what the problem is. This publish should be clickable, and after you have done that, then your channel it's already published now, but the what you just edited here should be published as well, so that you won't have to come back to it. All right, so having done that, then you view your channel and then curate your very first video. So to create your very first video is very easy. Just come to create here, and you can just do a live. No, okay, it seems you need to verify yourself before you can go live on YouTube channel. So you can just select any video. Let me just look for a video to select. Let me just use that. Then it's going to upload. And voila, you just uploaded. So it's uploading. Then put the title of your video. Then so before you post that very video, make sure you follow these tips. Number one, optimize your channel. Use the right video title, description, and tags. It is very, very necessary so that it will be searchable. When people search for anything you post, your own should not be absurd. Your title should not be absurd to what your video is all about. Number two, make sure that your video is engaging and interesting. YouTube wants to retain more people on their platform for a very long time. So if your video can actually do that, you're going to blow in no time. All right. So another one is let your thumbnail be eye-catchy. Many of you may not understand what thumbnail is. Thumbnail is that particular image you usually see before you click on that video. So it shows the details, the little details of what the video entails. So that is a thumbnail. Inshallah, in another video I'm going to teach you how to create a thumbnail. All right. So let's say the description can just be can just say this video is about channel customization, and they include every searchable thing. You will learn, let's say you will learn how to set up your channel. So some people will search for how to set up channel, some people will search for how to customize your channel. So a lot of things, people will search for different names, so make sure you include all those possible searchable keywords here, and then you move to your thumbnail if you have it ready. Then your playlist, if you want to create a playlist for it, it's always good if you know you're going to be having videos on different things, so it is always good you create a playlist for all your videos. So in my own channel, I usually have a playlist for JavaScript videos, for HTML, for CSS, for web development, for a lot of things like that, WordPress. So any tutorial I'm doing, I try to put them under a particular playlist. All right, so it will ask you, YouTube will ask if it is made for kids or no. So since it is not made for, you say no, it is not made for kids. So I think we are done with this part. Then let's go to the next. So the next, say add subtitles. So this one's too, I'm going to cover all these in another video so that this video will not be too long. So next, copyright issues found. So now visibility, you want it to go private, unlisted, public, or anything. For just post, each time you just post a video, I always advise you put it on private or unlisted. Unlisted means that people can always see it if you share the link with them. Only the people who have the link can watch the video. This one means you are the only one who can watch the video. Public means anybody can watch the video, but it's always good to put it in private or unlisted. So in case YouTube has any issue, if there is any issue found with your video, you can easily correct it because you make it go public. Before you make it go public, making it go public with issues may cause some problem for your channel. All right, please take note of that. Then you save. Yes. Okay, so it says disabled as some form fields have error. Okay, like this place that I've not chosen how I want it to be, so it's going to be private. So after you do that, then YouTube, after it has been uploaded, YouTube will now tell you that no issues found. Like this one, are restrictions, they say none. So once they tell you, once they send notification to you that no issues was found on your video, then you can come back here and make it public. You can just come to edit and make it public. All right, so you have just created a YouTube channel. Then you can decide on how often do you want to be posting videos. Check your inner strength very well. There is no competition here. You're not competing with anyone. If you think you can only cope like one video in a week, please stick to that. Consistency is what matters. If it is just one video in 2 weeks, it is still fine, but it's just the best if you can make it more often, like one video in a week or even 2 videos if you have all the time, you have the strength, not a mother that will be very busy. So it is not wise if you post like 2-3 videos this week, then you go away for like 3 weeks before you come and post another one again. No. Instead of that, your 3 videos you will have for this week, try to split them, schedule them, one for this week, one for next week. You already have video for 3 weeks already. All right, I wish you all the best. Have an awesome week. Happy filming. Bye.